everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with Hearts All Year, hosted by Susan's Heartstrings and Talon's Place. I thought this would be a wonderful way also to feature our Friendship Friday or Friendship Any Day collaboration with Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic and show you some Valentine's mail that I got from my dear crafty friend Cornflower Crafts. I wanted to just show you the cute sticker that she had sealed there and just to protect our addresses, beautiful stamps. And look at that, there is a little birdie heart that says love. That is super awesome. Thank you so much, Corn. She makes such beautiful cards, and this is just one of them. You can see this beautiful die cut that's so pretty and intricate. And look at this, she's added a ribbon trim right on the paper, and it works really well. On the back, you'll see her maker's mark, handmade by Corn. Let's open it up. Oh, how cute is that? I love the stenciling of the hearts. I love that soft pink. And then here we have a little side pocket with an envelope and some hearts. What do we have here? Let me open it up. More of our stenciling there. And it says, Dear Kara, Happy Valentine's Day. Let me just read it here. And it says, I hope you have a lovely day. Take care, Corn. It says the puzzle pieces are mix and match because the card stock is from the same paper. I had seen her do that video showing a metal die cut with puzzle pieces. So let's see if they're in here. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. And look at the hearts and envelopes again. Isn't this perfect for this collaboration? So let me take a look. So it's mix match, and that means that we can paper piece these and see how good I put this together. So I'm just going to lay that down there real quick. Bear with me as I piece our cute little puzzle. So I'm going to do what Corn suggested and try and mix match these hearts to create different patterns. But just to give you a little preview of what these hearts look there. But let's open up envelope number 2 and see what kind of colored stamp we have here. Let's see. Sorry, this is a little sticky. So this one has some florals. It's really cool. And then let's open up envelope number 3. More beautiful flowers there. I'm going to have to play around with these and see how I can mix match them. But if you look at Corn's channel, she shows you different ways on how to combine these puzzle pieces. And let's see what's in here. And this one, I love blue. So this one almost like has that wallpaper floral blue color. So that is amazing. And again, Corn, thank you so much for this beautiful Valentine's card. I, on the other hand, am still in the process of sending some really belated Valentine's cards to some friends. And I thought it's my way of sending Valentine's and hearts all year. It doesn't have to only be Valentine's Day. You can always share your love and show, how much you appreciate your friends and family any time of the year. So and next time I'll be showing you how I mix match these hearts together, and then we can probably make our own cards. We'll have a look and see what we can do with that, or I may be incorporating them in some of my journal entries. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.